Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a practice called alternate nostril breathing, which is also known as Nadi Shodhana. This breathing practice is really powerful for calming the nervous system, for helping you to feel calm and present in your body in this moment in time, and it's really balancing for the mind, the body, and the emotions. It actually helps to balance the right and the left hemispheres of the brain, which is really cool. So we're going to dive on in. Before we do, please remember to click the like button and hit subscribe. So to get started, you're going to want to find a comfortable seat. I'm a big fan of finding a seat in a chair and having the feet flat on the floor so you can really feel that connection to the earth. Then you're going to go ahead and sit up nice and tall. Take the left palm face up on the thigh and take the right hand. You're going to take your two peace fingers, okay, so your index finger and your middle finger to your third eye. You're going to take your thumb on the right nostril and your ring finger on the left nostril. You're going to begin by taking the right thumb on the right nostril, keeping the left nostril open, and then you're going to breathe out all the way. When you're ready, inhale through the left nostril. At the top of your inhale, you're going to plug your left, open up the right, and then exhale through the right. Breathe out all the way. Keep it open and then inhale right. At the top, plug the right and then exhale out of your left. So that's one round. So we're inhaling left, exhaling right, inhaling right, exhaling left, inhaling left, exhaling right, inhaling right, exhaling left. Okay, so that is why it's called alternate nostril breathing. Amazing, right? You can do this practice for 4 rounds or 8 rounds to start with. And you may notice that one nostril might feel a little bit more open than the other. One might feel easier to breathe in and out of. And you might find that over the time of your practice, you start to feel that the nostrils are more balanced. So maybe the one that felt a little bit more closed up will start to feel more open. In general, if you have a stuffy nose or any sort of congestion, you might want to blow your nose first. You might want to use a little bit of peppermint or eucalyptus oil, take a nice whiff of that to clear the nostrils. Or if you're sick and super congested, you might just want to skip this practice for today until your nasal cavity is more open. Otherwise, as far as contraindications go, there's not really anything that should keep you from doing this practice. If you are pregnant, you do want to make sure that you don't hold the breath at the top of the inhale or the bottom of the exhale. But otherwise, this is a really safe and wonderful practice for most everybody. So with that, we're going to dive on into our alternate nostril breathing practice. I want you to find your comfortable seat. Rest your left hand in your lap. Take your right peace fingers to your third eye. Thumb will rest on the right nostril, ring finger on the left. Keep both nostrils open for now and take a big full breath in through both. Keep the lips sealed and breathe out through both. At the bottom of your exhale, plug your right nostril, inhale through your left. At the top of your inhale, hold for a moment, plug your left, and then exhale out of your right. Exhale all the way, and then inhale right. Pause at the top, plug right, and then exhale left. Inhale left, and then exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Keep going. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Try to have your exhales just as long as your inhales. Inhale right. Exhale left. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale right. Again, exhales just as long as the inhales. Inhale right. Exhale left. 3 more rounds. Go on your own. Try to go as slow as your breath can go. If you're not pregnant, you're welcome to play with holding the breath for a couple of seconds at the top of the inhale and the bottom of the exhale, practicing what's known as kumbhaka or breath retention. Last round. Take your time. After you exhale out of your left nostril, let your right hand rest face up in your lap. Keep your eyes closed. Take a big breath in through both nostrils and a big open mouth exhale. When you're ready, you can find a natural breath and just take a moment to tune in and notice how you feel. Maybe you notice a deeper sense of calm, relaxation, inner peace, balance. Maybe you feel that connection to your vital life force energy. And just tune in mind, body, and soul. How do you feel? Notice any shifts. And then just take note of how quickly you can change your state of being with just a little bit of intentional breathing. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back. And have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste, everyone. Please make sure to comment how you feel after this practice if it calls you, and I'll see you back here very soon.